Hello everyone, welcome you all to the tutorial on XML manipulation. My name is Gimantha Bandara and I have been in the Ballerina compiler team for the last 4 years, and I am going to be the tutor for this series of tutorials. So this is going to be a series of video tutorials where we would be covering several use cases in XML manipulation. In the first use case, we will be using XML data standard library to convert a given XML value into Ballerina records. In the second video, we will be demonstrating how we can use navigation expressions to traverse to XML elements and read specific attributes of an XML element. This is very much similar to how we use XPath in old days. In the third use case, we will be using XML template expressions along with other Ballerina constructs to create new XML values. In the fourth use case, we will be using query expressions to convert a given XML value into Ballerina collections like map, tables and arrays. So before we get started, we need to install the latest version of Ballerina distribution in your computer. So go to the official website of the Ballerina programming language and you can download the latest version of Ballerina distribution for your operating system. Once you install it, you can verify the version by executing the bal version command. Also, you will need to install the Visual Studio Code extension to try out the code that we are writing in this tutorial. You can download the Ballerina extension from the website itself, or you can install it via the VS Code Marketplace from within the VS Code application. So at the end of this session, you will gain a comprehensive knowledge on the first-class support provided by Ballerina for XML manipulation and effectively use that knowledge to implement integration scenarios. Hope you would enjoy the session. Let's get started.